So, today we will learn about farm animals. So, let's start. Look, this is a cat. Cat. Look, this is a dog. Dog. Look, this is a cow. Cow. Look, this is a horse. Horse. Look, this is a goat. Goat. Look, this is a sheep. Sheep. Look, this is a hen. Hen. Look, this is a ox. Ox. Look, this is a buffalo. Buffalo. Look, this is a pig. Pig. Look, this is a donkey. Donkey. Look, this is a camel. Camel. Look, this is a rabbit. Rabbit. Look, this is a duck. Duck. Look, this is a rooster. Rooster.
Like, share, and subscribe, and visit again, Bunny Boo Kids.